Welcome back to another interesting tutorial about Photoshop tips and tricks. And in this video, I'll show you on how to flip or rotate your Photoshop layer or workspace without any stress. Let me show you how. So the very first thing you want to do is to come to the top right here where you have images right here. So go ahead and click on it. So when you click on images, then come to image rotation. Then you have different degree by which you can use to flip or rotate your workspace. So you can decide to rotate 90-degree clockwise. So if you select on that, you have something like this. So if you are exactly looking for something like this, then you have to do it. However, so you can see your layer is fully rotated and flip alongside. So if you want to return back to your previous layer rotation, just press Ctrl Z on your keyboard and then you're going to have it back right here. So if you want to flip to another direction, so go back to image right here, then come down to image rotation. So this time around, you can decide to rotate by 180-degree. Go ahead and click on that, then you have it that way. Then go back to image rotation, then 90-degree counterclockwise, then you have something like this. So you can flip and rotate as many as possible. You can flip horizontal or vertical. Go back to image rotation. You can flip canvas to horizontal or flip the canvas to vertical center, and everything will be rotated and flip alongside with your Photoshop layer right here. So from here, you can go ahead and start to do whatever you want to do. If you want to return back to your previous default settings, go ahead and press Ctrl Z on your keyboard and it will automatically return back to your Photoshop default settings. It's that simple. For more tutorial tips and tricks on how best to use Photoshop software, consider to subscribe. Thank you so much for watching and I hope to see you in my next video.